still stings behind my eyelids. Bitter coffee fogs my chest. Neon dawn leaks down the subway tiles. Number plates dissolve in pools of gray. Another bus rolls past without my name. My heart limps after it, soaked and laid. Lens smeared over trembling constellations. Old glass bruises every distant star. Past the frayed edge of a sweat-soaked wind, a lost perfume folds into the dark. Rain made liquor in a paper cup. I pour myself along the gutter's hum. Bruised by love, bent by noise, still a whisper calls me home. Homeward through the rain, signal in the static hum. Even if the city blurs my face, one small light keeps pulling, pulling. Homeward through the rain. Clock hands freeze and thaw like sparrows. Everything I grip runs out of breath. Bones are only borrowed scaffolds. Paper towels curl back to ash. Yet between two clouds a lantern blooms, spilling silver on a rusted track. Graffiti goes along the platform, footsteps I could almost recognize. A solitary window flickers open. Someone mouths my hidden name through the hiss of passing time.